Hello viewer, this is Krishna sir. In this video, I am going to explain about the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. That is, if a quadratic equation is given to you, if you want to find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, then how to find it. So let us see that. Suppose you are given a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first what you need to do is, you need to find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So from the given quadratic equation, you first find out the values of a, b and c and then find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So this b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So first you need to find the value of the discriminant. So after finding the value of the discriminant, there arises three cases. Case 1. So in the first case, if b square minus 4ac, that is nothing but d, discriminant d. So if discriminant d is greater than 0, then real and distinct roots exist. So then this quadratic equation will have two real and distinct roots. So, and the roots of such a quadratic equation is given by minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is one root, and the another root is minus b minus under the root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if the d value is greater than 0, that is discriminant is greater than 0, then the quadratic equation will have two real and distinct roots. The two roots are given by this formula. Now case 2. Suppose if the discriminant value, that is if b square minus 4ac, that is nothing but discriminant, if it is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation will have two real and equal roots. So the two roots of the quadratic equation in this situation is given by minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. So minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a are the two real and equal roots of the given quadratic equation. Now the third situation, the case 3. So if b square minus 4ac, that is nothing but discriminant, if it is less than 0, that is if the value of discriminant is negative, then in such a case no real roots exist for the given quadratic equation. This is how you find the nature of roots of a given quadratic equation. So you will be given a quadratic equation. From the given quadratic equation, you find the values of a, b, c, then you find the discriminant. So if the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots will be real and distinct, and the two roots are given by minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. And if the discriminant is equal to 0, then two real and equal roots exist, that is given by minus b by 2a. And if the value of discriminant is negative, that is if it is less than 0, then no real roots exist for the given quadratic equation. So in the board exam, you can expect at least 3 to 5 marks based on the nature of the roots. So this is how the nature of roots should be determined.